This Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep fryer with basket is a versatile and reliable addition to any kitchen or outdoor cooking setup. With its 10-quart capacity, durable food-grade aluminum construction, and thoughtful design features, this deep fryer pot promises to deliver perfectly fried or boiled foods every time. In this detailed review, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it stands out among other deep fryers. The Gas 1 deep fryer pot is crafted from high-grade, food-safe aluminum. This material is known for its excellent heat conductivity, ensuring even cooking and consistent results. The aluminum construction also makes the pot lightweight, making it easy to handle, whether you're using it indoors or outdoors. The pot's surface is non-stick and easy to clean, which is a significant advantage for anyone who values convenience in the kitchen. The deep fryer comes with a perforated strainer basket that fits perfectly inside the pot. This basket is designed to allow oil to drain off the food, ensuring your fried items are crispy rather than greasy. The basket also has a sturdy, easy grip handle that makes it simple to lift food in and out of the hot oil safely. With a 10-quart capacity, the Gas 1 deep fryer pot is large enough to handle significant quantities of food, making it perfect for family meals or entertaining guests. Whether you're frying chicken wings, boiling seafood, or preparing a batch of crispy onion rings, this pot can accommodate your needs. Its generous size also makes it ideal for outdoor cooking, such as camping trips or backyard barbecues, where you might need to cook larger amounts of food at once. The pot's design is incredibly versatile, allowing you to use it for a variety of cooking methods. While it excels at deep frying, you can also use it for boiling, making it a multi-purpose tool in your kitchen arsenal. One of the standout features of the Gas 1 deep fryer pot is its performance. The pot heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, which is crucial for achieving perfectly fried foods. The even heat distribution ensures that your food cooks uniformly, avoiding hot spots that can lead to burnt or undercooked pieces. The included perforated basket is a game changer for anyone who has struggled with draining excess oil from fried foods. Simply lift the basket out of the oil and let it drain before serving. This not only makes for healthier meals, but also helps to reduce mess in the kitchen. Safety is another critical aspect of this deep fryer pot. The ergonomic handles are designed to stay cool, providing a secure grip and preventing burns. These handles are strategically placed to offer maximum maneuverability, making it easy to transport the pot even when it's full. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a tedious task, but the Gas 1 deep fryer pot makes it straightforward. The non-stick surface of the aluminum pot means that food residues don't cling stubbornly, allowing for quick and easy cleanup with just a little dish soap and water. The perforated basket is also easy to clean, and the entire setup can be dried and stored without fuss. Pros and cons. Pros: high-quality material, made from durable, food-grade aluminum that ensures even heating and longevity. Generous capacity. 10-quart size is ideal for cooking large quantities of food, perfect for family meals or gatherings. Versatile use. Suitable for both frying and boiling, making it a multifunctional kitchen tool. Safety features. Ergonomic, anti-burn handles provide a secure grip and prevent burns. Easy to clean. Non-stick surface and removable basket make cleanup a breeze. Indoor and outdoor use. Ideal for kitchen cooking and outdoor activities like camping and barbecues. Cons: no temperature gauge. Unlike some deep fryers, this pot does not include a built-in thermometer, so you'll need a separate one to monitor oil temperature. No lid included. The pot doesn't come with a lid, which could be a drawback for some users who prefer covered cooking to prevent oil splatters. Conclusion: why choose the Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep fryer with basket? The Gas 1 aluminum cooking pot deep fryer with basket is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys deep frying or boiling food at home. Its high-quality aluminum construction, large capacity, and thoughtful design make it a standout option in the market. The pot's versatility means you can use it for a variety of cooking methods, and its performance ensures you get consistent, delicious results every time. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, this deep fryer pot makes the process easy and enjoyable. Its safety features and easy cleanup add to the overall convenience, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen or outdoor cooking setup. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and versatile deep fryer pot that can handle everything from chicken wings to seafood boils. The Gas One aluminum cooking pot deep fryer with basket is definitely worth considering. Its combination of quality, performance, and user-friendly features makes it a great investment for anyone who loves cooking delicious, crispy foods. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.